Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Monday, the 22nd of October, and we are glad to present you our weekly analytical review of the foreign exchange market. Last week, the pair EUR/USD dropped to the level of 1.1450, but then regained a significant part of the losses. Currently, the price is near 1.1530, and if the midline of Bollinger Bands is broken out, it may continue to rise to levels of 1.16 and 1.1685. Otherwise, decline to 1.1450 and 1.14 is possible. Technical indicators do not provide a clear signal. A MACD histogram is stable in the negative zone, Stochastic is reversing up near the oversold zone. The price movement will mostly depend on the ECB meeting, at which the interest rate decision will be made and the further monetary policy of the regulator will be commented. Fundamental events of the week include data on US GDP and on services and manufacturing PMIs in the Eurozone. Generally, the continuation of growth is possible, but one cannot exclude a decline if the price is consolidated below the level of 1.1530. Last week, the pair GBP/USD was corrected downwards, but then it partially regained its positions and is now traded in the midline of Bollinger Bands at 1.31. If the price consolidates above, it will give the prospect of growth to the levels of 1.3220 and 1.33. Otherwise, the decline may resume to 1.2955, near the lower border of Bollinger Bands. Technical indicators do not provide a clear signal. A MACD histogram is declining in the positive zone, Stochastic is reversing up near the oversold zone. Generally, the growth is possible after breaking out the level of 1.31, but one cannot exclude the resumption of a decline. Currently, the pair USD/JPY is moving towards the midline of the Bollinger Bands at the level of 112.90. If the price consolidates above it, this will give the prospect of growth to 113.85 and 114.40. Otherwise, decline to 112 and 111.50 is possible. Technical indicators do not provide a clear signal. A MACD histogram is near the zero line, its volumes are insignificant. Stochastic is reversing down near the overbought zone. Fundamental events of the week include the publication of data on manufacturing PMI in Japan. Generally, a decline is possible, but the resumption of growth in the breakdown of the level of 112.90 is not also ruled out. Last week, the pair AUD/USD was traded at the level of 0.7120, but failed to move away from it. Breaking out of the midline of Bollinger Bands is seen as the key for the bulls. In this case, further growth to the levels of 0.72 and 0.7275 is possible. Otherwise, the decline may resume to 0.7050 and 0.7020. Technical indicators do not provide a clear signal. A MACD histogram is reducing in the negative zone and Stochastic is pointing downwards. Generally, the continuation of decline is possible, but one cannot exclude a growth in the breakout of the middle line of Bollinger Bands. Last week, gold quotes were in the area of 1225. Consolidation of the price below this level may lead to a downward correction to the midline of Bollinger Bands at 1206. Otherwise, growth will resume to 1243 and 1250. Technical indicators generally allow a decline. A MACD histogram is stable in the positive zone and Stochastic has reversed down. Generally, the downward price correction seems more likely during the week. That's all for today and good luck with your trading.